Looking for the perfect mini dashcam to keep your car protected while delivering crystal clear footage? In today's video, we'll be counting down the top 5 best mini dashcams available right now. From advanced safety features to high-resolution recording, these compact devices pack a punch when it comes to security and convenience. Let's dive right in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Redtiger A4 Mini Dashcam. The Redtiger A4 Mini Dashcam redefines in-car recording with its advanced features and compact design. Engineered for seamless connectivity, it leverages 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for fast data transfer, allowing users to quickly access recordings through the intuitive Redtiger app. This ensures that important footage is always just a tap away, providing convenience for everyday driving and urgent situations alike. Equipped with a 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera, the Redtiger A4 captures crystal clear images, delivering sharp and detailed footage from both angles. Its enhanced night vision technology ensures that low light conditions no longer compromise recording quality, making nighttime or dimly lit environments just as clear as daylight. The dashcam also offers continuous protection through its 24-hour parking monitoring system, keeping vehicles under watch even when parked. Smart collision detection automatically triggers recording in case of accidents or sudden impacts, guaranteeing that critical moments are securely documented. For drivers who value precise navigation and journey tracking, the built-in GPS feature records accurate route information, helping users stay informed about their travels while adding an extra layer of accountability on the road. Compact yet powerful, the Redtiger A4 Mini Dashcam combines advanced imaging, smart safety features, and effortless connectivity to deliver a reliable and high-performing in-car recording solution. This blend of cutting-edge technology, intelligent monitoring, and high-resolution capture makes the Redtiger A4 a sophisticated choice for drivers seeking both security and clarity on the road. Coming in at number 4, the Lingdu V620 Mini Dashcam. The Lingdu V620 Mini Dashcam is a feature-packed device designed to elevate road safety and driving convenience. With dual-channel video recording, it provides complete coverage of both the front and rear of your vehicle, ensuring that every detail on the road is captured. The front camera supports 4K recording, while dual-channel mode offers continuous surveillance, making it ideal for comprehensive protection. Equipped with built-in GPS, the V620 logs essential travel information such as time, speed, and location, which can be easily accessed through the dedicated app or GPS player. Connectivity is streamlined through Wi-Fi 6, enabling data transfer up to 3 times faster than standard 2.4G Wi-Fi. This allows for quick previewing, downloading, and sharing of videos and images. Bluetooth functionality simplifies connections by automatically linking devices, eliminating the need for manual Wi-Fi setup. The dashcam also incorporates voice control in English, allowing drivers to operate it hands-free, enhancing safety without distractions. Its advanced driver assistance system, ADAS, provides critical alerts including front collision, front cargo, and lane departure warnings, helping maintain safe driving habits. For stationary vehicles, the 24-hour parking mode ensures ongoing surveillance, especially when used with hardwire kits, keeping your car protected at all times. A standout feature of the Lingdu V620 is its supercapacitor technology, which mitigates heat-related issues associated with traditional batteries, offering stable performance in fluctuating temperatures. Complementing this, the dashcam delivers smooth, high-definition video at up to 60 FPS, capturing every moment with exceptional clarity. The Lingdu V620 Mini Dashcam combines advanced technology and intelligent design, making it a reliable companion for safer driving and complete vehicle monitoring. At number 3, we have the Ddpai Z50 Pro Mini Dashcam. The Ddpai Z50 Pro Mini dashcam redefines in-car surveillance with its advanced dual-camera setup, offering front 4K and rear 1080p recording with wide 143 degrees and 124-degree angles to capture every detail on the road. Its AI ISP-enhanced night vision, combined with an f1.8 aperture and 6-glass lens, ensures crisp and bright footage even in low-light conditions, while Night Viz 2.0 technology enhances clarity after dark. Connectivity is seamless thanks to ultra-fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6, allowing transfer speeds up to 13 megabytes per second. The Ddpai app simplifies viewing, downloading, and sharing recordings, while remote 4G monitoring enables live view, instant alerts, and cloud backup to keep your vehicle protected from anywhere. Time-lapse recording, G-sensor collision detection, and 48-hour parking monitoring ensure that crucial events are captured and safely stored. The dashcam supports loop recording and expandable storage up to 512 gigabytes, powered by a durable supercapacitor that enhances heat resistance and long-term reliability. Built-in GPS tracks routes, speed, and locations, while ADAS provides smart driver alerts to promote safer driving. Installation is quick and straightforward with a suction mount, and a 3-inch display makes playback and settings adjustment simple and convenient. With its combination of high-resolution dual recording, advanced night vision, smart connectivity, and driver assist features, the Ddpai Z50 Pro Mini dashcam delivers comprehensive security and convenience for every journey. Next up at number 2 is the Viofo A119 V3 Mini dashcam. The Viofo A119 V3 Mini dashcam is a standout option for drivers seeking exceptional video recording and advanced features in a compact design. It captures the road ahead in Quad HD Plus quality, offering resolutions of 2560 by 1600p or 2560 by 1440p at 30 fps. This ensures that every detail is sharp and clear, making it a top choice within the A119 series for image clarity. Equipped with a Sony Starvis image sensor, the A119 V3 delivers remarkable night vision performance. Coupled with a 140-degree wide-angle lens, it strikes the perfect balance between a broad field of view and detailed footage, ensuring visibility in low-light conditions. This makes nighttime driving and incident recording far more reliable than many other dashcams in its class. The dashcam also features an advanced parking mode with 3 different settings, including auto event detection, buffered parking mode, and low bitrate recording. These options allow drivers to capture crucial moments before, during, and after an event while their vehicle is parked, providing peace of mind even when away from the car. With its GPS logger, the A119 V3 embeds location, speed, and route data into recorded videos, enabling easy tracking and playback on phones or computers. This feature is particularly useful for reviewing trips or sharing journey details. In the A119 series, the V3 model stands out for its combination of high-resolution recording, superior night vision, smart park-in solutions, and GPS tracking, making it a reliable companion for both daily commuting and long-distance journeys. Finally, at number 1, we have the Vantrue Element1 Pro Mini Dashcam. The Vantrue Element1 Pro dashcam is a compact yet powerful device designed to elevate vehicle security and driving experience. Equipped with 4K resolution and Starvis 2 technology, this dashcam ensures exceptionally clear video quality even in low-light conditions. The HDR night vision feature captures every detail on the road, providing reliable footage during nighttime driving. Connectivity and control are made effortless with 5G Wi-Fi and voice-activated commands, allowing drivers to manage the dashcam without distraction. The Vantrue E1 Pro also includes a 24/7 buffered parking mode paired with Starlight night vision, giving comprehensive surveillance of your vehicle while parked. This ensures that even subtle movements around your car are recorded with clarity. Durability and storage are key strengths of the E1 Pro. Its robust supercapacitor is built to endure extreme temperatures, while support for up to a 1 TB memory card allows for extended recording time, accommodating up to 66 hours of 4K footage. Installation is straightforward, enabling users to set up the device quickly without professional assistance. With the Vantrue Element1 Pro, drivers gain a reliable companion for both daily commutes and long journeys. The included 18-month warranty provides additional assurance, reflecting Vantrue's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Compact in size, yet rich in features, the E1 Pro Mini Dashcam delivers advanced safety monitoring and convenient functionality for modern drivers.